Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to remove ums and ahs and overdub quickly in Descript. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this you need to first of all go and tap open Descript. Once you open your Descript, you need to simply remove filler words automatically by simply pressing on Remove Filler Words function, which underlines them in the script for one-click removal. For faster editing, use the AI Tools panel in the right sidebar to see all detected filler words and apply the removal to the whole project. You need to choose to delete them, ignore them in the audio, or replace them with a get clip for like a video projects. So to edit with Overdub, you can also type new text into the script and the script will generate the audio in your video. So this is how you can simply remove ums and ahs and overdub quickly in this script. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.